Hello students, I am back again in our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Hope you all are doing good job at your home. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. Before starting this video, let's play a game. The name of game is Who Am I? Students, what's the name of game is? Who am I? I'm going to ask you some riddle. You have to identify that object. Okay, students? Let's begin the game. First one is I am very sweet. Listen carefully. The first one is I am very sweet and soft to touch. You cut me during your birthdays. Who am I? Tell me, students. Correct. It's a cake. Now, next. I have a very long tail. Students, think. I have a very long tail. I am clever and I love to eat banana. So students, tell me, who am I? Yes, you are right. It is a monkey. Now the third one. I am hot and big. The third one is I am hot and big. You can see me during daytime. You can see me during daytime. So tell me, who am I? Yes. Here the answer is the sun. Each word that is hot, soft, all these words are telling you some quality of words and speciality of that object. So the words that help us to describe any object are called describing words. In other words, we can also say that the describing words are also known as adjectives. So in this video, I am going to explain you about adjective. So what are adjectives? The words that describes nouns and tells us more about them are called adjective. For example, if I say Priya is a girl, so this is a simple sentence and there is no adjective. But if I say Priya is an intelligent girl, what I say? Priya is an intelligent girl. Here intelligent is an adjective. Here intelligent is an adjective. Now students, read these words. Kind, old, loving, pretty, funny, smart. All these words are adjective. Now use two of these words to describe someone you know. So this is a classwork for you. For example, the first is kind. So you can say that the king was a very kind. Here kind is a adjective. Similarly, you have to use two of these words to describe someone you know. Okay, now read these sentences. Ravi is a funny boy. Here funny is a adjective. Now the second sentence. We are playing with teeny dolls. Here teeny is an adjective. Next one is this is a cute kitten. The kitten is a cute. So here cute is an adjective because it describes about kitten. Now the next is that is a big house. Here big is the adjective because big describe the word house. Now the last one is Leela gave me 2 chocolates on her birthday. Leela gave me 2 chocolates on her birthday. So here 2 is an adjective because it tells us about the number of chocolates. The words funny, teeny, cute, big and 2 tell us more about the boy, dolls, kitten, house and chocolates. So these are describing words. So students, it is clear to you all that all the describing words are also called adjectives. Now we will do some worksheet so that you can understand this topic. Students, look at this beautiful worksheet. Match the naming word with a suitable describing word. Here the first one is cute. You have to match the cute with a baby. Cute baby. Red apple. Lovely dress. Hot tea. Heavy box. Now this worksheet is completed. Now let's move on our second worksheet. Here you have to underline the adjectives. The first one is Sina is a good girl. Here good is a adjective. The second one, that is a scary insect. So in this sentence, scary is an adjective because it describes that the insect is a scary. The third one is that is a wooden chair. Here wooden is an adjective. It describes about the chair. The fourth one is Abhay is a tall boy. Here tall is an adjective because it describes about a boy. That is a Abhay. So the fifth one is we should always eat fresh fruits. We should always eat fresh fruits. So here fresh is an adjective. The word fresh tell us about fruits. The sixth one is the student wear blue uniforms. Here blue is an adjective because it describes the color of uniform. The seventh one is Lalita is playing with her little sister. Here little is an adjective. The word little describe about Lalita's sister. There are 2 roses and 4 lilies in that vase. Here the word 2 and 4 are adjectives because both of them tell about the number of roses and lilies. 9. The cheerful girls are making colorful posters. Here, cheerful and colorful both are adjective. Cheerful describe the word girls and the colorful describe the word posters. Now the 10th. The hungry man had 4 buns, 2 eggs and a glass of orange juice. Here, hungry, 4, 2 are an adjective. So now our worksheet is completed. You have to practice this worksheet in your SW copy. Let's take quick recap. Adjective describes a person, place, animal or thing. They tell us about the color, shape, size, numbers, look, etc. So students, in other words, you can say that describing words are also called adjectives. So the words that describes quality like brave, intelligent, and about color like pink, red, blue, etc. and also about size like long, short, big, and number like 2, many, some, and looks like beautiful, feels like soft, hard, sound like loud, slow, taste like sweet, delicious, sour, bitter, etc. are our adjectives. Hope you understand this topic by this video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to do your classwork and homework that is given by me. Okay, thank you students. Bye and take care.